160 times in total. Since you wasted some chances, this means you have no more extra chances, as you'll use the ability to enter a code since you really got extra chance. Now, please listen to me.
And what is it, dude? I just wanted to hear something from you.
Well, if you manage to get the correct code, all you're going to do is you'll have your PC back after the code gets entered. So, however, make sure to type careful like RJ does. Now good luck, and don't ever think about getting the wrong code. I mean it, and there's no kidding around.
Well, okay. I'll enter a 21st century humor code in the code bar to see what happens if I enter this type of code. Okay, I just need to wait to see what happens next. Wait, what's happening?
Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier, and I am officially back. Yes!
Want a break from the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music. Yes, if you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.
Like this in my life. This some shit out there.
I don't know what's going on with you.
Hey, Jimmy, where you going?
Let's stop playing real.
Yeah, the dog on Family Guy.
The dog Frank?
Yeah.
Is it Freddy Fazbear?
Rise y picante.
The hell wrong with you? Hey, yo!
¿Qué está pasando aquí?
Un video más para informar.
See the shoes, see the shoes, see the money, see the money, see the shoes.
The next station is
Baba Boy.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Bro, you know what happened last time, just drive careful, please.
My God, what the hell? Oh my God.
I don't know what's going on with you. You listen, please, don't not speak in Spanish. Somebody listen. Salam alaikum, alaikum salam.
Salam alaikum, salam alaikum.
You want a teenage mutant ninja turtle, but which one could turn you into Squirtle? Move your tongue into a circle, the right spot is universal.
What the f-